What's going on, guys? The video production industry is booming. The freelance video production industry in particular, which is what we're going to be discussing today. And me and Emerrias, my guest on the Make Money Making Videos podcast, full podcast link down below if you want to watch the whole thing. We're talking about how the video production industry is taking off, how we're videographers that literally need videographers now so we can showcase the behind the scenes, etc. Basically just talking how rapidly the industry's changing, how rapidly we're able to capitalize on it, and overall just talking tips and tricks. Let's do it. Let's get into this absolute awesome episode. Welcome back to the Make Money Making Videos podcast.
I'm about to see if I can get my own camera guy to film my own stuff.
Wow,
that'd be really cool.
Legendary move, man. Literally, I think how big of a deal is that, man? Like, I know for me, from a document standpoint, is massive. Like, I literally, like, I keep saying this to myself recently. It's like, the behind the scenes is almost more important to me than the fucking shoot itself, because I want to be able to tell the story of how it transpired, and also that's the inspirational content that the person who's 5 steps behind you sees on your Instagram, and they're like, wow, like that's what I could be doing in 5 months or whatever, you know?
Yeah, exactly. So that's huge.
100%. I think for any creators out there, like, you know, it's gotten to a fucking wild point at this point, because we're videographers, you know what I mean? We're video creators. We now need video creators for the video creator. We're the main video creator.
Yeah.
And we need backup video creators that create videos about us while we make videos about other people. It's this weird zone that we've entered right now.
Yeah, it's weird because video creation has become like a huge, what you wouldn't call it a commodity, right? It's like a huge, like,
I would call it an industry now, right? It's like a massive, because it's not like, it's like a, okay, so video, let's say in 2015, it was like, if your business was doing video, you were, oh, wow, look at that. Whoa, you guys went the extra mile. You made that video.
Yeah.
Wow, look at that. Now, it's mandatory. There's, if you're not doing it, you're a small business. So there's small businesses in the countryside. In my town, there's 14,000 people maybe live in the town. 8,000 to live in the actual town, not the surrounding area. Yeah. The businesses here, they haven't caught up. They're not making, well, not a lot of them are making videos about their businesses and stuff like that. But if you go into a centered place, I assume you're in Texas, very central place. Where are you in? Austin, Texas?
Houston,
my bad. I'm fucking it up. But video is mandatory now, essentially. I think that's the point that I'm trying to get to. You know what I mean?
Yeah, we got kind of like I wouldn't call it like, kind of lucky though. I mean, like if it wasn't this popular, if like
Yep.
I mean, it's kind of like inevitable, but at the same time, like alternate universe, if something else became popular, like if for example, like if what am I even thinking? Like I don't know, if you know what I mean, like
something else.
Okay. Yeah.
It's just the best way to tell stories. So all businesses are trying to tell stories. All businesses are trying to send a message, right? It's the most straightforward way to send a message. It's the most easily received format to get the message through, I think.
Yeah, like if telepathy was the big thing, then we would have, we would be out of luck because we're not telepathy content producers.
Exactly.
You know what I'm talking about?
No, 100%, 100%. We got fucking lucky, exactly, and that's why anybody watching this who maybe is a couple steps behind us, is very fruitful if you guys want to proceed with this, and if this video serves as one thing, it should be a little motivation to get cracking with creating more videos, man. And I think